It should be going somewhere. Okay, something is here. SEPM installation. Okay, let's wait for this. So you have started your career over there only, or started from India?
I started in India in Bangalore like in 2010.
Okay.
So I worked there for 2 years as a Java developer. Then I moved to Dubai. I didn't get a programming job, so I started as a desktop engineer. Then different companies. Now at last year. Actually, even I also
Mhm.
initially I worked as a Windows admin, then moved to this Office 365. So I like if you ask me what is my core
Mhm.
knowledge, I have overall knowledge. So now last 2 years, in it's a data center there I'm
Mhm.
working as a support, VMware support.
For future expect, you should go with Citrix.
Citrix, huh?
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
Citrix is everywhere.
Oh, okay.
Citrix and along with Citrix Cloud, and Citrix is also merged with your AVD
But
Citrix Azure.
Citrix Cloud is not very popular in the market, no? Or there,
No,
is
no,
it? I don't
nowadays,
know.
nowadays it is popular.
Nowadays.
Companies are migrating now from their private
Uh-huh.
data centers to Citrix.
Mhm. Actually, we have our own data center, but we are not investing much on that. So what we plan, we will onboard Google Cloud with our data center. So in future, all clients will be moved to Oracle Cloud, not Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud.
Okay.
So yeah,
Yeah,
we
Oracle
stopped
is very, very new
development.
actually.
Mm, we stopped developments on our cloud because we thought, okay, we will buy the cloud platform from Oracle and sell this. So we have to now learn Oracle.
So you are attending the call from office or you are at, okay, today is Saturday,
from
right?
from today Saturday. We have 3 days office, two
Mm-hmm.
days from home
Okay.
weekly. Yeah, so Saturday Sunday is off. But some it is a rotating shift. Some time I have to work on Saturday Sunday, so I
Mhm.
can get other days off.
Yes, a comp off you will get, right? If you work
No,
on.
no, we will get off on other days, weekdays.
Mhm. Okay, so click on next, accept it, next. Okay, so now physical memory is fine, but
Mhm.
okay,
I think that the default installation, the C drive requires some. What happened? You are not able to extend the drive disk drive?
no,
No.
no, I extended it, but
Mhm.
that C drive is not getting extended. It is, I'm getting some failure error, so I do not want to troubleshoot that right
Okay.
now. I will do it later on.
Mhm. Ah, okay, okay, okay.
You cannot install the software to a root folder on your computer, okay? Perfect. Okay. Click on next. Install it. So from tomorrow onwards now what we will do, you
Mm-hmm.
can create your own server, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Whatever we are doing right now. And along with your server, what I will suggest you to create are two more virtual machines, okay? With
Yeah, yeah,
Windows
yeah.
and
Fine.
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
And I hope you already have domain controller with you, right?
Right. No, I don't know. I will create it. I will create. I had one, but I deleted because I want to test something else. So I didn't have a much space. So I removed. I did a cleanup. I removed everything. I can build. I will
So
build.
what will be
Yeah.
your task to create domain controller along with two services? DNS will be there by default. You have to configure
Mm-hmm.
DSCP scope as well, okay? So that
Okay.
your
Okay.
virtual machines will get IP from your scope.
Yeah. 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 Sure. Sure.
So what you are using? VMware Workstation or Oracle VirtualBox or what?
VMware workstation. VMware workstation.
Okay, it is waiting for live update without internet. Okay, removing backup. That is
So
fine.
now it will use the embedded DB, right? We are not pointing any external DB.
Yes, yes, internal one only. And it is always recommended for Symantec. Even Symantec recommends this to have internal database.
Uh-huh. Okay. Okay.
Even in Big Fix as well, you will find that thing.
Mm-hmm.
Also for
From
Exchange as
our
well, right?
setup, we are connecting external DBs because we our DB we have separate cluster for high availability. So
Right, right.
DBs all are the. Mm,
You have nothing to do with database, na? That is not your job,
mm.
right? We
Yeah,
just
no,
have
no, no,
to.
nothing to do with.
Yeah, yeah.
Just they will give us a blank DB. We just have to point
Right,
the
right.
using IG.
We just have to learn the console and policies and other options
Correct, correct.
over here, right?
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Because we are not the DBA engineers, and
Mm-hmm.
that is quite
Correct, correct.
complicated, a complicated task actually.
Uh-huh.
Perfect. Installation is done.
Mm-hmm.
Now configure the management server. Okay, so as we are using the free version without any license, right? So we will go with the
Mm-hmm.
first option, fewer than
Okay.
500 clients. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we do not want to configure any recovery. Means if you are having any existing server, you can connect it. Okay, so we will
Okay,
go with
okay,
the
okay.
first option.
Mm-hmm.
Go next. What is happening? Okay, it might be doing something in the background. Okay, company name, you can put anything. Like in my case, let me put Chemtech. Username will be okay, now we have to set some password over here. So, and that is for admin user. Email address mahesh.singh at techcamtech.com. Email server we do not want to configure right now.
Mm-hmm.
Simply click on next. What it is saying? Password must be at least 8 character I already given and must contain the following uppercase, lowercase. Okay, okay. Let's see. You did not choose to validate the nature and don't required. Uh-huh. I should look on no over there.
Mm.
Now live update. We do not have internet on this machine.
Mhm.
And partner information. We do not have any customer ID, nothing. Click on next.
Okay.
Also, do not. You also do not check that live update. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I will guide you when how to do that.
Mm.
Okay.
Mhm.
We will configure on proxy server and we will
Mhm.
bypass the SEPM URLs.
Ah, okay. Okay.
Okay, so it may take a while. I'm going on mute for a meantime. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, hi, buddy. I'm back. You there? Hello.
Hello, yeah, sorry, I was in mute. Yeah,
Okay, so I think we have done with server configuration and installation. Let's
okay.
launch the console. So when you go to the C drive or the
Mm-hmm.
installation directory, SEPM, where is that? Into the tools, maybe. Okay, that we will cover later on. So username is admin and log on. I think there is something wrong with this machine, or it is overutilizing the resources. Okay, CPU is the problem. Okay, I think that service anti-malware that is
Mm-hmm.
consuming lots of CPU. It will get stable in some time.
Yeah, 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 okay.
It might be scanning the entire system and the
Yeah.
Mhm. Perfect. So activate your product. We are not going to activate, and it should be activated by 12/27/2020 means December, right? We still have
Mm.
time.
Yeah, yeah, till December, yeah.
Okay, launch the cloud. We not required. Okay, so what we can do? We can directly install client software from that window. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so whatever the package deployment you have, you can select that package. We do not let it here. What we have in the existing one. Into the document, we do not have any package. Okay, let's select new package deployment. Okay, and from here, you can select for Windows or
Mm-hmm.
for Mac. Click on next. Okay, we are not going to create any package today. Let me cancel this for now. Close this. So this is how console looks like. You will find same kind of
Mm-hmm.
console in your infra as well, right?
Yeah, 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 correct, same, yeah.
And if you go here, like you will get the states from here only, like how many clients are offline, how many
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
on
correct.
how many
Mm-hmm.
clients that SCPM is disabled, right? out of
Mhm.
date or up to date, you will get some stats here. And also you can pull out the reports as well, so that is not an
Mhm.
issue. Here is the
Mhm.
activity summary and license status. We have 60 days at free of cost, right? So
Mhm. Yeah, yeah.
now let's move to monitors. In monitors, what you will find if you want to get the logs, right? Into the
Mhm.
summary, you will get summary like risk distribution, new risk, or whatever the error. Right now, there is no error, right? Why? Because we do not have
Mhm.
any client.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
And if you want summary by compliance, you can find it. Right now, everything is blank, okay? So that is not an issue.
Mhm.
And if you want to pull out the logs, right? Like the
Mhm.
computer stats, compliance, risk, scan, system, each and everything you will get from here. And log content, multiple options are there. You can like client server activity,
Mhm.
and you can select the duration as well. Whatever the duration
Okay.
you want to select,
Mhm.
you can
Mhm.
view logs. And right now, I think everything will be the blank for us. So
Mhm.
into the command status, you will find the commands like how many, if you have pushed the client, right? You will get
Yeah,
the
yeah.
status, how many clients are pushed into the, like SEPM
Mhm.
client are getting pushed
Mhm.
into the end user devices. Into the notification, you will get the alerts.
Mhm.
Here from the reports, you can create the reports as per the compliance, like what kind of reports do you want to create, you can select.
Okay.
And these you will find like multiple things when you will be
Mhm.
doing some R&D in your own lab. So
Mhm.
if you will create report from here, right now nothing is there, but if when you will create a few more clients now, you will get some data here.
Okay, okay.
If you want to schedule any report on daily
Mhm.
basis or on weekly basis, right? You can
Mhm.
add that report and automatically you will get that report over the email. Okay, when
Yeah,
you
yeah.
are configuring the site now, like on that
Mhm.
time it was asking for the email server, right? And we have not
Correct, correct.
configured that server, so you can configure that. And that is very, very important. The policies.
Mhm.
Okay, and so from here you can like these are the default policies what we got
Mhm.
from the Symantec. And
Mhm.
like if you go to the firewall, you can add some firewall policies. And
Mhm. You will be explaining this, right, later?
yes, yes,
Or
yes, yes.
Mhm.
Look, if I want to create application and device control policy, and that is very, very important, right? Why? Because
Mhm.
firewall we are using for firewall, like Windows firewall is there, group policies are there, right? And even
Mhm.
some physical firewall is also there in uh, the
Mhm.
corporation, right? But
Yes.
the very important thing is that why? Because we are using this
Mhm.
SEPM for application and device control only, right? So
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
you can add some policies, like click on add. Now from
Mhm.
here, like you can give some policy name,
Mhm.
like policy. Okay, let me do that. Let me create one, something like that. Block USB. Okay,
Mhm.
and enable this policy in application control. Okay, so from here you have to select like for which operation you are going to deploy. So here you will find something like to block the USB where it is. Okay, I think that should be into device control. No, block modification, block auto run. Okay, auto run is blocked by default in everywhere. Block application running from recycle bin. No, no, no. Okay, for an example, okay, here it is. Block writing USB drives.
Okay.
So when you select that policy, na, after that,
Mhm.
what will happen? Your clients will able to insert the USB drive into their laptop or desktop, right? But they cannot
Okay.
write any data from their computer to the USB drive. Means
Okay, okay, okay.
they can copy, but they
Mm-hmm.
cannot write it.
Mm-hmm.
And if they try to write now, what will happen?
Mm-hmm.
SEPM immediately send you the logs like this user is trying to copy something out of the corpus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, 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 okay.
So in a similar way, multiple things are there. Like you can select as per the
Mm-hmm.
requirement. And please be careful.
Mm-hmm.
Like whenever you are creating the policy, na, as right
Mm-hmm.
now we are creating this policy for USB drive only, right? So
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
do not check multiple things in a single policy. Otherwise, what will happen? You will get confused.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you have to find out the correct thing, na, you will never be find out. So that will be okay. Like you will get hundred of policies in the list. That is completely fine. You can figure out.
Mm-hmm.
But if you select hundred of options in single policy, so that
Mm-hmm.
will be quite difficult. Because
Mm-hmm.
in future, these policy you have to apply to multiple devices.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that's it. Click OK. So here you will get your policy is currently not assigned, right? That's not assigned. Would you like to assign the policy? No.
Mm-hmm.
So now this is the policy. Okay. Now
Mm-hmm.
what we have to do? We have to assign this policy to someone, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So to assign it, right click on assign, or you can select this, or you can
Mm-hmm.
select it from here.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to withdraw the policy, you can select this option. So if I click on the assign the policy,
Mm-hmm.
so here you will get your organization
Mm-hmm.
like computers, whatever the computers we
Okay,
are
okay,
having. Right
okay,
now,
okay,
I
okay.
think
Mm-hmm.
we are getting nothing. So
Mm-hmm.
let's go with the default group. No, we will assign
Mm-hmm.
it later on. We do not have anything in our domain right now, right? Okay,
Yeah,
now
okay.
go to the clients. We need some clients
Mm-hmm.
to test it, right? Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
now if I want to install any client, okay,
Mm-hmm.
let me click here. Now, new deployment. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to select the package for Windows, Linux or Mac. You can select anything, okay, on which flavor you are going to deploy the SEPM client. So go with
Okay.
Windows. And here, okay, it will not work in that way. Why? Because it is not listing out our domain infra. So let me go to the admin console. And here, let me go to the domain. Domain is techmtech.com. That is fine. We do not have any contact list. So what if I click on add domain? No, no. Where is that option gone actually? What we have to do? We have to sync up our domain, like whatever I am having into my Active Directory. We have to sync
Mm-hmm.
up that thing over here. So I'm just looking for that option. Okay, let me do that. Yes, here it is. So username, let's make it Mahesh Singh. I think in this call as well, we are having less time remaining. Okay, username I can make it ms185426. Mahesh Singh. Email address mahesh.singh at techcomtech.com. Okay, log the computer after specified number of unsuccessful. Okay, 5 is fine. Here it is saying the limited administrator. No, I wanted system administrator who have full access in authentication. Okay, so I want this user to come from my Active Directory. Okay. What it is asking? DC server IP or name 192.168.10.100. What it is saying? Username or password field is empty. If you are empty number, okay. AD server may be down. Okay, so buddy, this operation we will perform later on. In this call, only 10 minutes are remaining. So
Okay.
only 2 minutes are remaining. So your task is to configure the domain controller, and
Okay.
my task is to add this to our Active Directory server. That I will do it. Okay. So that is
Okay.
not time. So right now, what is happening here? It is going to
Mm-hmm.
LDAP actually,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
we are
yeah.
not using
Correct.
LDAP. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So I have to look for that correct option, and I will do it for
Mm-hmm.
sure. And in the
Mm-hmm.
meantime, what you have to do, you have to create one domain controller. You have to install that package. Okay.
Okay.
And
Okay.
then we will
This
connect.
package, I can get it from internet or means old.
No, old one you have to use. You will never find this on internet because they guys blocking
Uh-huh.
each and everything. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And if
Okay.
required, just let me know if you do not have which version you have.
Mm-hmm. No, no. See, right now I have in my like office data center, but that I'm not sure I can take it out. But I need to find it on my personal laptop, so from
Just
somewhere.
just try to find it. If you're not, please let
Mm.
me know. I will upload
Yeah,
it on
yeah.
my Google Drive and I will share link to you. Okay.
Okay, okay, fine. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, man. Bye. Have a nice day.
Okay.